la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Is that a banana? Is it? Squeak. Jingle bells, Batman smells, roll away. Batmobile lost its wheel all on Christmas Day.
Wait.
What is that?
Wow. Would you like apple? This is apple pressade. It's like apple juice but little tiny ball. Whoa!
Yes!
Ruby snake, something fell off the floor.
Yeah, that's true that.
Oh,
I got the good end.
Honey drizzle that.
What's that all about?
here we go.
Honey drizzle that. That's good, isn't it? I bet they all say, Ruby, have a lead.
Yeah, I
That's
a bad job.
Do they? Did they tell? Did they say?
Always.
No, they're
Yeah.
Edit it out.
Terrible.
the other way around.
It's the worst Christmas joke. No, get it out. Look at these.
You're wearing it the other way around.
I'm not.
Anyway, you can have those. Look, cookie cutters.
I've got it on the right way round. You lot got it all wrong.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Got turkey cutting up, Minami.
And the Yorkshire pudding.
Okay.
That's breaking
Breaking
news.
news. That's the Queen's speech has just started.
No, it hasn't. It's finished.
Go for it, go for it.
We'll get some more. I'm just going to make some more.
So, Reese.
Oh, in my little jumper.
It is about the Queen's speech, actually. Well done.
It's that time of day, isn't it?
Unfortunately, yeah. No, I've got it.
Well, you need to turn it off first, really.
Well, no, it needs a couple of seconds to start evaporating. No.
And then do it now, yeah?
I'm going to make quick.
Merry Christmas!
That's what I was thinking. Give it a couple of seconds to get it all.
Very nice.
Crocodile!
Zebra!
What are they? Monkey!
Tiger!
Zebra!
What? We need to stick them around.
Crocodile!
Zebra! Buffalo!
Buffalo.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey!
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Crocodile!
Zebra!
Yeah, go on, check
two
it.
back. Come
No,
on.
no. Zebra!
Shiba Inu. Uma. It's all wrong.
Buffalo!
Oh.
11, 12, 13.
No.
Oh,
One,
dear.
No.
2,
E.T.
3.
needs that.
You don't
Like that. Peeled it too much.
What you after?
Oh, Santa game. Great.
Okay.
What else is in there?
Yay!
What's that? What is it?
Light up snowball.
Oh, a light up snowball. That's it. Fantastic. I think you're going to have to try really hard to close your eyes and go to sleep tonight, aren't you? Sure, I've just seen the legs. Stop!
Brilliant.
Can you believe that?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Get off your feet. Ooh, look at those!
Mommy, that's me.
They're beautiful. And all those sparkles on them.
It's a prop Christmas present. You got to wear it on the day.
Wow, with your pyjamas on.
That's the way you do it at Christmas.
Chocolate Santa me.
From Santa.
Oh, look.
Pyjamas.
What's in there?
True. I want it, please.
Oh! Now which ones are you going to wear?
One of each.
Wow!
One of each. That's the way to do it now, isn't it?
Look at those.
They're sparkly, aren't they?
Beautiful. Oh! Well, Santa must have known.
At the shoe shop. At the shoe shop.
Ah, did you see? They're beautiful. They're very pretty. Oh,
Always check it. Always check it.